Hey guys, I'm Dawn with Dawn Renee's Designs. Today we're going to work on some fall tablescapes. This one took less than 5 minutes. I have a few to show you, so let's get started. Okay, these are the two picks that we're going to be working with. It's a leaf and a beaded, just a fun, whimsical pick. I got both of these at Michael's, and I've kind of played with this a little bit, and I found that if I put the leaf on the bottom and I have them just slightly, the top one slightly down, and then I try to pull some of these leaves through here. And this takes a little time, so of course when I get on camera I feel like I'm all thumbs and it never looks very good, but anyways, you get the idea. We're going to just kind of pull some of those through, and then we're going to start at this end and lay it right down there. Doing the same thing. And then this one I'm going to lay kind of on top of that one, just down slightly. So on this end I have a total of 6 picks, 3 of the leaves and 3 of those whimsical picks. Okay, just going to do the same thing on this end. But what I'm going to do here is kind of go underneath that so that I can marry the two together. And you want to kind of pull out some of these too on both sides because we want things to look pretty from all angles. And the thought behind this is that we want everything to kind of be low so that this is something that you could have and sit across from the table and have conversations and still be able to see each other, still be able to talk. Okay, so we have one last one. Oops, not down there. There we go. I personally like it when the leaves are out and underneath that top one. And especially since this is going to be my last one on this side, I really would like to have those at the back and at the bottom. Just gonna slide them underneath there. Okay, instantly, within a matter of a few minutes, we have a beautiful kind of garland going on, and all we're going to do are add a few pumpkins. Okay, we have this really fun pumpkin. I like the idea that these are cloth because we don't have a flat surface to put our pumpkins on, so I feel like the cloth is just more forgiving. So this one came from Hobby Lobby. We'll just set that right in the center, and I got these from Michael's. You can just kind of arrange them how you want. And because we have pulled out some of these pieces on the side, it looks like it's all seamless. Okay, there you go. Very simple. I have a total of 12 stems, 6 of the leaves, 6 of the picks, and then just 3 pumpkins. Let's take a closer look at that. I wanted to take a minute and show you just a few of the items that I have in my shop. If you are looking for a centerpiece, a fall centerpiece, I have this one. Look at how cute those velvet pumpkins are. They're handmade. This is a big centerpiece in white and pink, and it's got greens. It is so pretty, and I'll put the link below in the description box. I also have these picks with the really cute cream pumpkin, a really nice muted orange pumpkin. It's got some berries, some fall foliage. It's a really nice long stem, and I will put that one, that link in the description as well. Okay, I wanted to show you this reclaimed wood pumpkin as well. I only have a few of these left. I have shown this before, so if anybody is interested, you'll want to get that now. It's reclaimed wood and metal. It's really cute. This actually comes off, so that makes it easy to store. And this is just fun. It's perfect for like your porch. You could put it outside, you could put it inside, and it's a nice chunky piece. It's not going to blow away. So I will put that link in the description as well. This design is super simple and you will have it done in 5 minutes or less. I basically have 2 stems, and it looks like I got these, I think, from Joann Fabrics. And we're just going to put these 2 together right in the center. And then we're going to bring in 2 stems that I just showed you from my shop, and it's super simple. Let's add these in. All I'm going to do is come in from this side, and we want to marry in our other leaves, so you can pull those through, make it look like you bought it like this. And then I'm going to take the other one, I'm going to add it in underneath, the stem in underneath, and I'm going to push them together. And bend that down so you can see. You can see that our 2 little pumpkins come together right in the center. Bring some of that foliage. Oh, we got berries down here. I don't want to hide the berries. You can add these together, play with them a little bit, and there, within 5 minutes, you have a beautiful centerpiece for your table. So for this last tablescape, I wanted to show you this pick that I got today at Joann Fabric. They were having a sale, buy one, get 2 free. And I saw these picks and I thought, you know what? I can definitely do something with these. I do a lot of centerpieces, which are a little more complicated, but I wanted to show you how you can take one thing and make something totally beautiful with it. So the only thing you're gonna do is just, spread it all out. It's got 2 gourds on it, so you'll want to have 1 gourd on each side. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to pay attention to where our pumpkin is. So we've got that spread out. Let's just put that here. Move this chair so I can get to it a little easier. Let's add this one. You're basically, I'm tucking them together. And I have my 1 blue pumpkin over there, 1 blue pumpkin over here. You can adjust at any time. And this is our 3rd one. So I like the placement of my pumpkins. And you can adjust your gourds at any time. Now, because I have 6, I've got 3 on this side and I want to do 3 on this side. So this time, I'm going to go in from this direction. But because these 2 are together, I don't want that. I'm going to move that one over here. There we go. And I've got two more. This guy keeps wanting to fall off, which is, it's no big deal. I'll just, hot glue it back on. So if it goes flying, you'll know why. And we're going to tuck this one down in there. Let's see. I'm going to move the blue pumpkin back a little bit. And this, I guess I'm okay with that. I want to be able to see my blue pumpkin. And we have one more. I really hope that this has inspired you to think about what you can find and what you can put together. A beautiful tablescape or centerpiece doesn't have to be hard at all. So if this has inspired you at all, or if you enjoyed this, if you wouldn't mind just liking and commenting and subscribing, it helps my little channel grow. And I would love to know, which one do you like best? So what do you think of this one? Let's take a closer look.